Hey guys, here goes our unboxing. So this is a Bluetooth headset. It's really for one ear. It's a company called Comexion. It's just simple packaging. So here you see the design. There's a giveaway, registration card. So this comes in a really nice box. Is there a cable? Yep, there's a cable, of course, and some extra different tips depending on your ear size. And let's open it. Look at that. It's nice, but it's just plastic. Has a nice brush look to it, huh? And there it is. Oh, so it's just a case. It's not like a charging case. I thought it was a charging case. Anyways, here it is. So this here is a shiny black chrome, but it's still plastic, so it's light material. Has a nice white band, and this is a soft touch. And then here you could rotate, depending your right ear or left ear. There's a answer button. And then here you could do volume up, volume down. And there's a microphone button. And here is where you charge it. Just a little micro USB charger port. So it's just a real nice simple design, for those people who just really use this to talk. It's not really like a headset where you could listen to music, but it's more for just people who want to talk with Bluetooth earphones. All right. Again, here's the company. I don't think there's a model number, but it comes with a 12-year warranty, and it's supposed to have HD audio, which is always good. And here's a website if you need to go there. But if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and just make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll bring you some more stuff soon. Have a good day.